You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 34/3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 17/2 from both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4/3. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 34/3.